Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Mexican cuisine in a kosher way. I'm Chef Naomi and today we're going to prepare mole. Mole, it's a Mexican traditional dish. It has a lot of ingredients. It's a little elaborate, but I think it's worth it to try that. I hope you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this process, and if you're interested of what mole is, stay with me to the end. So as you can see, there is a lot of ingredients to make the mole. It's elaborate dish and we're gonna have so much fun doing everything, putting it all together. So I'm gonna introduce you to every single ingredient, and the full recipe is gonna be in the description of the video. So this chile is MULATO, this chile is PASILLA, ANCHO, chile ancho, and MORITA. So we need some cinnamon, some whole pepper, 3 cloves, and a few animal cookies. And then we have this chocolate. This one I wanna show you. This is the Kosher chocolate. It's by certificate by OU. And then we need a small piece of bread, which is challah. I'm using some challah, and plantain. We need half of it. So 1 tortilla, garlic cloves, almonds, pumpkin seeds, a little bit of salt, sesame seeds, onion, and some raisins. And the tortilla, it's Mission, the brand, and CRC, the ashbach. We are toasting our chiles, and the chiles are clean and checked. Also, I remove the inside of the peppers to not be spicy. And it's very important not to burn the peppers because it gives the smoky flavor, and we're not looking for that. We flip in the peppers. The color of the peppers are already changing, and again we just need to toast our peppers. Also, we're toasting the cloves, the cinnamon sticks, and the whole pepper to give a better flavor. We leave it in the fire for around 3 minutes, and then we remove from the fire. We are going to hydrate our peppers. With the hot water, we put the water until we cover the peppers. We are going to keep the peppers in the water for around 15 minutes. In a pot with the hot water, we are going to cook our chicken. I'm adding garlic cloves and some onion and some salt. We're gonna let it cook for 15 minutes. I'm so happy to show you my new acquisition. That is like a Mexican pot. And right now we are going to fry the tortilla. Once it's cooked on one side, you wanna flip it. By the way, this is the real way how to make tostadas. Once became very crispy, you have your real tostada. Okay, we're gonna remove from the fire. It's really crispy for both sides, and we're gonna continue with the rest. So now let's cook the onions, the garlic, we're gonna use some time. At this point we're gonna add the plantain. The plantain it's already cut. I'm gonna add it up. And how beautiful is turning this color. Okay, so we're gonna add the rest. We're gonna add at this point the almonds, pumpkin seeds, the challah, the animals cookies, and now we're gonna give a stir. Then we're adding the sesame at this point, and also the raisins. Oh, what a beautiful view. Now that everything is cooked, we're going to put everything in the blender. Okay, once everything is in the blender, we're gonna in a medium heat, we're frying our sauce. We're gonna mix all together in the blender with the water that we have from before, and put in the peppers together with the cinnamon and the cloves, and also the whole pepper. Put it in the blender all together, and we're gonna mix that. So now I'm straining the sauce. I'm using the spoon to help the sauce go through the strainer quicker. Okay, once everything is over here, we're gonna give it a mix. We're gonna mix it very well, and we're almost there. We're almost getting to the end of the video. Look how gorgeous it looks. And at this point, I'm going to add the chocolate. Add the chocolate, and our mole is gonna be ready to be served. We're gonna put some salt. And one more ingredient, sugar. We put in some sugar. So we're gonna let it cook the mole for 20 more minutes. Right now I'm adding the chicken. And very important, I'm putting some chicken broth. This is how the mole is ready, like that, and it smells so good. Thank you so much for watching me. This is the end of the video, and please share this recipe with your friends, your family. And I will see you soon in my next video.